What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making deluxe CrockPot apple cider. So easy and will make your house smell like the holidays. Here are your ingredients and they can be found in the description box below. Pour 1 gallon of apple cider into your crockpot. Add 3 large cinnamon sticks, 8-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, and orange slices. Set on high for 2 hours or on low for 4 hours. The longer it all mulls over together, the deeper and richer the flavors will get. And trust me, you guys, when I say you will not go back to the powder cider again, it is so good. I've gotten so many compliments on this simple and beautiful recipe. Enjoy!